The planning tools that you need to consider here are PESTLE and Porter's 5 Forces. The advantages of PESTLE in relation to budgetary control are the fact that it encourages you to look at a really wide range of factors that might have an influence on budgeting. Using PESTLE also makes sure that you look beyond just the internal company factors like labour costs or the fixed cost of overheads. On the downside, it only covers external influences. So an organisation might want to use PESTLE in conjunction with a SWOT analysis to better understand the internal factors relevant to budgetary control. A PESTLE analysis allows an organisation to make qualitative assessments of issues that might influence budgetary control, rather than providing hard facts. And how an organisation responds to this might be down to how they interpret this information. For example, one company might see a new piece of technology as offering them a great competitive advantage, whereas a competitor might see no commercial benefit at all. Porter's 5 Forces are competitive rivalry, supplier power, buyer power, threat of substitution and threat of new entry. Porter's 5 Forces can give a really good indication of future market developments. One benefit of using this model is that it really forces you to look carefully at your position in the market and at the factors that influence that position. And it takes your analysis far beyond the facts and figures that financial spreadsheets provide, which could also be a disadvantage because facts and figures like production costs or salaries are relatively easy to interpret. Understanding the impact of increasing supplier power or the high threat of substitution is much harder to interpret.